Welcome back to Carverse, where we dive into the most unique vehicles on the road. Today we're taking a look at something that sounds almost impossible. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has stepped into the luxury motorhome segment, and the result is every bit as mind-blowing as you'd expect. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, this motorhome is unmistakably a Ferrari. The iconic sleek lines, aggressive front fascia, and signature red paint job instantly set it apart from any RV you've ever seen. It sits low for a motorhome, with aerodynamic curves that reduce drag and boost efficiency. The alloy wheels are massive and sport Ferrari's prancing horse logo. Subtle carbon fiber accents run along the sides, and even the rear features a diffuser and quad exhaust pipes that remind you this isn't just any home on wheels, it's a Ferrari. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that redefines luxury living on the road. The cabin is designed with the same premium materials you'd find in Ferrari Supercars. Think supple Italian leather, brushed aluminum and carbon fiber trim. The living area feels like an upscale lounge with reclining seats, a hidden pop-up OLED TV, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The kitchen is compact yet high-end, featuring state-of-the-art appliances, a wine cooler, and sleek marble countertops. The bedroom area is surprisingly spacious with a queen-sized memory foam bed wrapped in premium linens and surrounded by panoramic windows that let you wake up to breathtaking views. There's also a smart climate control system that keeps the temperature perfect, no matter where you're parked. The bathroom is fitted with a rainfall shower, designer fixtures, and plenty of storage space, making long trips feel like a 5-star hotel stay. Now, when it comes to performance, Ferrari didn't hold back. Underneath the sleek exterior, this motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine, paired with electric motors, delivering an impressive combined output of around 700 horsepower. That means it can go from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds, an insane figure for something this size. It handles surprisingly well too, with adaptive suspension and advanced traction. Control systems borrowed straight from Ferrari's sports car lineup. Of course, all this performance and luxury comes at a price. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $3 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever built. But for those who want to experience Ferrari performance and style without sacrificing the comforts of home, it's truly one of a kind. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think about Ferrari's bold move into the motorhome world in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing automotive content here on Carverse. Thanks for watching.